it is Coach Melissa here from Sincerely Creative Mom. We are going to make a super cute patriotic door hanger. This time I'm actually not going to use the sign extender, which normally I would add the sign extender in one way or another, up on top, on the bottom, somewhere. And this time I'm just going to staple right to the top of the actual board. So I'm going to set this one aside for now. Maybe we'll use it in the future. And then the next thing I'm going to do is add our door, our hanger, so that I can continue on this project without having to worry about flipping it over and, you know, ruining something, which I have been doing lately. So I'm just going to go right here, push nice and tight down. I'm just stapling it right through. 1, 2, 3 for good luck. And then make sure I didn't switch it or move it. There we go. I'm just eyeballing it. So, there we go. One more for good luck. Okay, and then I'm just going to snip those off. So now I've added our hanger so I can hang it. And super cute. Okay, I'm going to take these two, just super easy. I'm going to grab them and go really close. I'm going to go really close. So if I went kind of long, you know, then I would have, I guess it would be okay. But I want to kind of make it so that the florals are almost touching. Right? So the florals are almost touching. There we go. And then I am going to add in a couple pieces of fern. So there are 2 pieces, and it's going to look a little kind of crazy right now, but until we get them spread out, I want to get them zip tied first, and then we'll spread them out. So 2 on each side. There we go. I think I like that. And then we'll just zip tie those together. Super quick and easy. And I'm going to do a few of these just to make sure I got everything in there. There we go. And then I'm going to take our zip tie mount, or not zip tie mount, zip tie tool here, and cut off the edges. And then now I can take those longer stems and put them towards the back. I don't really want to cut them off too short because the stems themselves kind of have different pieces coming out. And so I don't want to kind of disturb the foundation of the whole piece, right? I want to be able to keep it nice and sturdy. There we go. One side just a little tiny bit longer, one a little bit shorter. So the beauty of the door hangers is, number one, it's very popular, okay? Number two, the convenience of having, oh, let's see, am I going to do a regular bow? Let's see what this looks like. The convenience of having something so quick to make can be very good for your business, right? Not having, you know, hour, 2 hour long projects like me, or 2 hours plus. Sometimes that can get a little out of control, right? Let's do this one, then let's do this one. And let's go about 8 inches or so. And then this one too, and then we'll put the paisley in the center. So they don't have to be crazy. They don't have to be, you know, involved. These little bows here can be super simple, super quick. I know a lot of you are doing farmers markets. So these are not only quick to make, but they are easy sellers. They're easy sellers. Okay, and then I'm going to use the paisley in the center. And then the paisley to wrap it in the center. So we'll do that. So this, I don't know, kind of reminded me of like a paisley print, I guess. So let's put that, and then that, and then this, and then this, and then we'll use our paisley to wrap the center. Okay, so we're going to go right through here. I'm going to pinch it in the center. Pinch, 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 pinch. Before I grab it with that zip tie, I'm just going to kind of make sure it still looks decent and not weird. Okay, wrap it around the center here. So usually I make this little bow here with a whole bunch of ribbons. And the last one I did, although it's really cute, it was really cute. You know, they're kind of floppy. So I was like, next one I think I'm going to not use all of those little ribbons that are not, you know, that are not wired. I want that right in the center, just like that. Okay, I need a wire, our little 22 gauge wire. I like that little print right there in the center. I add a wire around this, so that's always there before I add the kind of tie in the front. Or yeah, in the front. And then right there is where I want it to be. I'm going to cut that off just so that I can get a good super quick. Super quick. And then I'm going to take that wire, once I have both edges together, I'm going to take that wire and go around it so it kind of stays. All right, so get all the gluey parts in there. And then I'll cut off the excess, but then what I'm going to do is take that wire and go around the top just like that. Love, look at how cute. So I'm just going to take this and put it right in the center. So it covers our mechanics, covers the face of our mechanics. Flip it over. Nice and tight, which is funny because my hands don't like to be nice and tight. They don't like to work. Okay, I'm going to push that down in the center. And then I have a nice little tiny kind of swag here. So you just kind of like fluff it a little bit there. And then I'm going to make sure the wires are out side to side so that when I grab my staple gun and one of the wires here to help staple it right to the board, I'm grabbing the wire itself too, because the wire goes around the whole entire thing, right? And so that's like the main structure part. And so let me just figure out that one's going to go just perfect, just like that. Turn it around so it's closer to me so I can see it and feel it a little bit better. And then my door hanger is going to go there. Want to make sure that the wire does come straight out, so when I do use my staple gun, I am getting the actual wire. There it is. And of course, some of that greenery and floral. Spread it apart a little bit. Use my muscles. There we go. Good job. Use some strength. So in this case, I'm not having to add the extender. Now, if I was adding, you know, if I wanted to add some mesh, if I wanted to add a little bit more fun stuff to these, I would consider adding in the sign extender. Make sure I got that wire under there. Use some force. There we go. Perfection. Put it all back in place. Adorable. Super quick. Super easy. It is darling. Coach Mel, I'm out of here. Thank you for watching. Bye.